It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.